Hello everyone, welcome to Sanvi Naveen channel. So today we are doing from Nanha Pauda, from the grade 3 Hindi 9 hats textbook, grade 3. The poem name is Nanha Pauda. Nanha means small, little, Pauda means plant. Okay, so let's start. This is story about a small plant, the seed. When you will plant in the soil, when you will plant it in the soil, when you will dig in the soil. Okay, that time how the plant will come out through the seed. It's all about this. Okay, if you know in science photosynthesis and if you know the root system, shoot system, you have right third standard. You have that chapter, right? So that one if you know, you will understand this Nanna Pauda clearly. Okay, so let's start. एक बीज था गया बहुत ही गहराई में बोया. एक बीज means seed. One seed was there. It went deeply into the soil. उसी बीज के अंतर में था नन्हा पौधा सोया. So in that near to the seed, already one small plant was there. It was sleeping. So what you should understand here, sleeping means when the sun will arise, no children, when the sun will come, they will take the sunlight and they will take from the roots. What the roots will do? Roots will take the water and minerals from the soil, right? And the stem will spread everywhere. The stem, it will carry over the minerals and water through all the leaves, all the parts of the plants. Correct, no? उसी बीज के अंतर means a little distance. अंतर में था नन्हा पौधा सोया. सोया means it one small plant was sleeping. उस पौधे को मंद पवन ने आकर पास जगाया. उस पौधे को मंद पवन ने आकर पास जगाया. So for that small plant was there, no? To that pavan means air. Mand pavan means the light breeze, light wind or air. So the little breeze came and that plant is woke up. Okay, so like that. नन्ही बूंदों ने फिर उस पर जल बरसाया. So the small little raindrops, the water has sparkled on that plant. So if the plant will grow, what all necessary, children? What all necessary? Sunlight, water. Correct, no? Sunlight and water is necessary for the plant, right? So नन्ही बूंदों ने फिर उस पर जल बरसाया. So first the little wind came. धीमी, halka means the light wind came and the plant woke up, and the small the raindrops had scattered, has sprinkled on that plant. सूरज बोला. सूरज means sun, sun, sun. सूरज बोला प्यारे पौधे निद्रा दूर भगाओ. प्यारे पौधे, oh my beautiful plant, oh my प्यारे means lovely. Oh my lovely plant. Nidra means sleep. Dur bhagao, you are sleeping, right? Wake up, because sun has arise. I have come, like that. The sun is telling to that plant, because sunlight is very necessary for the plant. Sunlight, water, correct? That is very necessary for the plant. आलसाई आंखें खोलो तुम उठकर बाहर आओ. Alsai means when we will sleep and when we will woke up, will not open our eyes, right? We will just do the legs and hands, right? We're sluggish, like we'll do then we will get up, right? Like that. So remove, take out your alsai. आंखें खोलो तुम उठकर बाहर आओ. Get up and come out. You are sleeping, right? Come out, because sun has arise. You got the water also. Come out, like that it is. Okay, and here you can see antar, ant, bhitar. Inner being means inside, deeply. Antar means inner being, means bhitar means beside. Okay, beside or a side. Nidra, neend, sleep, slumber. मंद, धीमा, हल्का, light. Light means light air. Okay, not a heavy air, not a fast air, not a fast wind, light wind. आलसाई, आलस्य से भरी, सुस्त, sluggish, tired. Okay, so we'll read. एक बीज था गया बहुत ही गहराई में बोया, उसी बीज के अंतर में था नन्हा पौधा सोया। उस पौधे को मंद पवन ने आकर पास जगाया, नन्ही नन्ही बूंदों ने फिर उस पर जल बरसाया। सूरज बोला प्यारे पौधे निद्रा दूर भगाओ, अलसाई आंखें खोलो तुम उठकर बाहर आओ। Okay, next. Still we have 2 stanza here. आंख खोलकर नन्हे पौधे ने तब ली अंगड़ाई, एक अनोखी शक्ति सी उसने तन में पाई। When because Suraj is, the sun is telling, no, get up, I have come, I have arise, please get up, wake up, right? So आंखें खोलकर, the plant has opened his eyes. Okay, नन्हे पौधे ने तब ली अंगड़ाई. अंगड़ाई means we will stretch our arms, right, when we will get up. Correct, no? We will stretch our arms, right? That one. So plant also stretched his all the arms or limbs, we can tell. एक अनोखी शक्ति से उसके तन में आई. शक्ति means the power. तन means body. So अनोखी means unique. The unique power he got in his body, the plant body, because he got the sunlight, he got the water, he got the sunlight. That's why the unique power the plant got in his body, नींद छोड़ आलस्य त्याग कर पौधा बाहर आया. He just left that नींद, sleep. He just woke up, he just got up. And त्याग means sacrifice. He just sacrificed the tiredness. He just sacrificed, because see, whenever you will sleep night, no children, and at night you will sleep, morning you will get up. If you will get up, if you will get up at exact time, accurate time, then you can take a bath, you can get ready for the school, right? If 10 minutes or 15 minutes, if you will sleep like that only, obviously all the schedule will go wrong. Correct? You will take bath not properly, or you will miss your breakfast, or you will not dress up for your school. Correct, no children? So that's why proper time, if your school is at 8 o'clock, you have to get up at 6:30 or 6:45, like that. Okay, like that I'm telling. So पौधा बाहर आया. So the plant also, he left that sleep and he just sacrificed that tiredness or everything, and he just woke up and he came out. He just came out. Came out means he sprouted out from the soil, from the ground. बाहर का संसार बड़ा ही अद्भुत उसने पाया. Sansar means the world. When he came out, he saw the world. He is seeing the world, right? The plant, the small plants is seeing the world, right? Adbhut means amazing. Yes, this is amazing world. Correct, no? When you will get up exact time, and when you will ready for your school, and you'll go for your school, you'll attend the assembly, and also you'll feel very happy, right? If one day if you'll get up late and you will miss the assembly, and your teachers will tell why you are late, that time you will think something, right? Why I got up late today? Correct, no? You should be active. Whenever morning you'll get up, no children, just drink 1 glass of hot water. Just drink 1 glass of hot water, not cold water, hot water. Okay? So, आंख खोलकर नन्हे पौधे ने तब ली अंगड़ाई, एक अनोखी शक्ति सी उसके तन में आई. नींद छोड़ आलस्य त्याग कर पौधा बाहर आया, बाहर का संसार बड़ा ही अद्भुत उसने पाया. So here words are अंगड़ाई, शरीर को तानना, to stretch limbs. तन, शरीर, body. संसार, दुनिया, world. शक्ति, ताकत, power. त्यागना, छोड़ना, relinquish, और sacrifice also we can write. अद्भुत, अनोखा, विचित्र, अमेजिंग. Okay, so let's go for the textbook exercise. सही उत्तर पर टिक का करेक्ट का निशान लगाइए. ओके, बीज कहाँ बोया गया था? बीज गहराई में बोया गया था. बीज कहाँ बोया गया था? बीज गहराई में, डीपली इनटू द सॉइल इट वेंट, राइट. नन्हा पौधा कहाँ सोया था? वेयर द स्मॉल प्लांट वॉज स्लीपिंग? बीज में. सो द स्मॉल प्लांट वॉज स्लीपिंग इन द सीड. So when the water and when the sunlight will come, then only it will sprout up, right? Then only it will come out of the ground, right? That one. जागने पर नन्हे पौधे पर किसने जल बरसाया? When he wants to wake up, right? So who sprinkled the water on it, on the plant? बादल ने. बादल means from where we will get the rain, from the clouds, right? नन्हे पौधे को बाहर का संसार कैसे लगा? So how the small plant is thinking about the world? Adbhut. Adbhut means amazing. The world is amazing. Next. निम्नलिखित प्रश्नों के उत्तर एक वाक्य में ही लिखिए. You have to write a sentence answer. नन्हे पौधे को किसने जगाया? नन्हे पौधे को किसने जगाया? So you can see here. नन्हे पौधे को मंद पवन ने जगाया. सो नन्हे पौधे को मंद पवन ने जगाया. फर्स्ट आंसर. आंखें खोलने पर नन्हे पौधे ने क्या महसूस किया? आंखें खोलने पर नन्हे पौधे ने अनोखी शक्ति महसूस की. अनोखी शक्ति महसूस की. निद्रा दूर भगाओ ऐसे नन्हे पौधे से किसने कहा? Who said you have to leave your sleep, get up? Who said this one to plant? Who said? निद्रा दूर भगाओ. निद्रा दूर भगाओ. So who said? सूरज बोला. So can you see? सूरज बोला प्यारे पौधे निद्रा भगाओ. So this answer is निद्रा दूर भगाओ. ऐसा नन्हे पौधे से किसने कहा? सूरज ने कहा. देन वी हैव निम्नलिखित प्रश्नों के उत्तर लिखिए. पौधे के विकास में किस किसने सहायता की? सो व्हेन द प्लांट हैज टू ग्रो, व्हेन द प्लांट हैज टू स्प्राउट, व्हेन द प्लांट हैज टू कम आउट फ्रॉम द ग्राउंड, हु ऑल विल टेक अ स्टेप ऑन दैट? पानी, वाटर, बादल, right? From the badal only the water drops will come, the rain will come, and suraj, the important sun, the sunlight, right? That one you can write. नन्हे पौधे को बाहर का संसार कैसा लगा? How the नन्हा पौधा, the small plant is observing the world. नन्हे पौधे को बाहर का संसार बहुत अद्भुत लगा. अद्भुत, the word is here. अद्भुत लगा. इस कविता से आपको क्या सीख मिलती है? What you learned from this story? What you learned from this story? So morning we have to get up around 6 o'clock. As a student, you can get up at 6 o'clock or 6 o'clock. When we were kids, I used to get up around 4:35 o'clock when I was a kid. Okay, when I was a kid, I used to get up 4:35 o'clock maximum, not more than that. Never I have, like if Sunday is there, then obviously I will sleep little long. But Monday to Saturday, when school will be there, obviously my timing will be 4:35 o'clock, like that only. So your timing also like before 6 o'clock or before 6:30, it will be very good for you. So you will be active whole day in school. Okay. Next, कविता की पंक्तियां पूरी कीजिए. You have to complete the stanza. एक बीज था गया बहुत ही गहराई में बोया, उसी बीज के अंतर में था नन्हा पौधा सोया. सूरज बोला प्यारे पौधे निद्रा दूर भगाओ, अलसाई आंखें खोलो तुम उठकर बाहर आओ. दिस वन यू कैन कॉपी फ्रॉम द टेक्स्ट बुक ओनली. देन व्हाट दे सेड, समान अर्थ वाले शब्द लिखिए. सिनोनिम्स, सेम मीनिंग. भीतर, अंदर, इनसाइड. धीमा, मंद मीन्स लाइट. हवा, पवन, एयर. अनोखा, अद्भुत, अमेजिंग. पानी, जल, वाटर. ताकत, शक्ति, पावर. सूर्य, सूरज, सन, SUN, सन. सक्षम, समर्थ, कैपेबल. ओके, Then what we have here? व्याकरण. व्याकरण means what? Grammar. नींद छोड़ आलस्य त्याग कर पौधा बाहर आया, बाहर का संसार बढ़ाई अद्भुत उसने पाया. उसने मीन्स छोटे पौधे ने, उसने मीन्स पौधा. तो what is this? This is a pronoun. Instead of noun we will use no he, she, right? Ram is eating, Ram is playing, right? We can tell Ram, his name is Ram, he is good in football. We'll not tell Ram is good in football, Ram is very good in cricket, right? We'll say he, right? That one we'll call it as a pronoun. In Hindi हम क्या बोलते हैं? हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं सर्वनाम. ओके जो संज्ञा के स्थान पर जो यूज होता है, जो हम यूज करते हैं, उसको हम सर्वनाम बोलते हैं. ठीक है. विच इंस्टेड ऑफ नाउन विच वन वी विल यूज, दैट वन विल कॉल इट एज अ प्रोनाउन इन हिंदी. ऊपर लिखी पंक्तियों पढ़ो. रेखांकित शब्द उसने पौधा के स्थान पर आया है. जो शब्द संज्ञा के स्थान पर प्रयोग किए जाते हैं, प्रयोग मीन्स यूज. Instead of noun we will use what word? No, that one will call it as a sarvanam, pronoun. Then here what they said, sarvanam शब्द छांट कर लिखिए. So here they give the sentence. In that you have to check which is a sarvanam. उस पौधे को मंद पवन ने आकर पास जगाया. उस पौधे को मंद पवन ने आकर पास जगाया. So उस सर्वनाम. आलसाई आंखें खोलो तुम यू. ओके तुम. निम्नलिखित शब्दों से वाक्य बनाइए. यू हैव टू मेक योर ओन सेंटेंस विद दीज वर्ड्स. जीवन मीन्स लाइफ. जल ही जीवन है. द वाटर इज अवर लाइफ. हियर यू हैव टू गिव अ फुल स्टॉप लाइक दिस. यू नो राइट? हिंदी फुल स्टॉप प्लीज गिव लाइक दैट. मंद हवा चल रही है. द लाइट ब्रीज हैज कमिंग. द लाइट ब्रीज is coming. नफरत मीन्स हेट. हमें नफरत की भावना नहीं रखनी चाहिए. नेवर वी शुड हेट एनीवन इन आवर लाइफ. Never we should hate anyone in our life. We should not have that habit to hate someone. Okay. सोना. मुझे सोना पसंद है. सोना means here we can take it as a sleep also, and one more सोना we can take it as a gold also. मुझे सोना पसंद है. Here yes I like gold also, or you can tell I like to sleep also. Okay. Next. So what is this? उचित स्थान पर लिखिए. So see, पेड़ पौधे लता. लता means what? लता means like a creeper. Okay, पेड़ means tree, पौधा. इमली, tamarind, आम. So these all are trees. इमली, tamarind, आम, mango. कटहल, jackfruit. नारियल, coconut. बरगद means banyan. पौधे means plants. टमाटर, tomato. चमेली, the flower, jasmine. Tulsi, that is also tulsi, everyone knows, right? We will do the puja and all. Gulab, rose. Genda means marigold, the flower. So these all are the plants. Lata means creepers, climbers, you know, right? That one. Angur, grapes. Loki, bottle gourd. Karela, bitter gourd. Kakdi, cucumber. Okay. Then here we have, नीचे दिए गए फूलों के नाम पहचान कर लिखिए. Here you have to write these flower names. This is rose, gulab, chameli, like a small jasmine, no, that one. This is also jasmine, this is also jasmine. Okay, this is we have what we will say like a more, it will be like a full covered jasmine. Okay, like that. This is lotus, kamal. Mogra. Hibiscus, this is gohatal. Then this one will mostly we will get in the village side, no, this flower. Sadabahar. This one kumudani. This one kudnupushp. Okay, so that's it all about. Okay, so today what we have done this Nanha Pauda. Okay, that's it children. This is Sanvi Naveen channel only for Kannada and Hindi. Okay, kindly share it to maximum parents, because maximum children, nobody should tell English, Kannada and Hindi are the tough subjects. Correct, no children? That's it. Sanvi Naveen signing off. Bye bye children. Take care.